Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be making a card with a Simon Says stamp kit, and this one is featuring this beautiful stamp set called Mandy's Flowers, and it's got these great sort of country farm feel. It's getting into fall and we're transitioning into, you know, that in-between time, but still have flowers and things going on. So yeah, I'm going to use this tall one here, and I'm going to use this paper that comes with the kit with these birds. And I went into I have a little baggie of border dies, and I picked out this one because I'm going to go ahead and make this paper in the corner. So to do that, I've cut these both down to 4 by 5 1/4, and to kind of see where I want my what this would be on white paper here, if that makes sense. It'll make sense in a few minutes here. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that hole, and I'm going to mark where I want to cut in my die cutting machine. So right about there looks kind of perfect. We're left with a piece that looks like this. It's going to fit nice and neatly into the corner there. So I'm going to erase my pencil marks, if I can find an eraser. So I'm going to line that up. And then we're going to put our stamp, and it just fits just like that. I'm going to put hand-picked, oh, I can't read it now. What does it say? Picked with love. I'm going to put that kind of right there, and I'm going to also stamp one of the little hearts there. Pick those up. So if that happens, if you notice that moved, my stamps are very new, and I'm going to move my magnet over there and try that again because I want to make sure that that's going in the right spot. Go ahead and use an archival black so you can do a little bit of coloring. And I'm going to go ahead and ink that up. I'm a little off camera there, sorry about that. And I think I missed a spot there. What's nice about the stamp platform is, yeah, you can go ahead and do that again. Alright, looks good. I'm going to color that, and we're going to put this up on foam, so I guess we can go ahead and do that now. And that'll give it a little extra dimension, but I'm going to wait to pop it up until I'm done coloring, just so it doesn't get in my way. So we'll put that piece aside for now. And just pick out some colors that you think will look fun. This purpley pink here. And then you can kind of get inside the leaves really quickly. And then you can provide some shading that way. Go ahead and color it to your liking. Not sure I like that back there. Just going to go ahead and make some dark spots here now that that's dry. Okay. So just want to make sure we line up our right angle there. Okay. And then it's going to give that piece, it's going to be hard to catch on camera here, a little bit of dimension when you're holding the card. So we're going to go ahead and put this on a card base. That's just an A2 size card base. I have an 8.5 by 5.5, and then you're simply going to fold that in half. If I can find my bone folder. If you're in America and you have an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, you can just cut it in half at the 5.5 mark, and then you've got your card, and then fold it. So you can make it like that, and then we're going to mount this whole thing up on adhesive foam. Alright, so we're going to mount this whole thing up on adhesive foam and remove the backings. Card base. Now you could layer the inside with another 4 by 5 1/4 white piece to do your writing on, and then you can also use like a glimmer marker or something like that to kind of give some sparkle and sprinkle to your little you know, flowers and things. And we can add some sequins here, okay, like so. And then I have some glitter paste here that's shimmery white, and I'm going to go ahead and use a paintbrush, and I'm going to come in here and kind of glimmer up my flower. Just here and there with some little shimmer hints. You can make with this Simon Says stamp kit, and it's a nice stamp. It's a fun one if you like to color in things, and the paper is very pretty, and it's 6x6 sheets so that you can cut that down. And I need to erase my little things there. But anyway, I'll go do that after this dries. And thanks you guys so much for joining me today. I hope that gives you some inspiration to use your stash in even a simple way. If you have like decorative scissors, you could mimic that same idea, or a large circle die you could do as well. So hopefully that helps you and gives you some ideas. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Have a great day.